Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to animate an adventure game in Scratch. Go to Steven. If you can have anyone be your main character. I'm gonna have him say, "Let's collect gems." You need to glide. Type in 0. Draw out the glide block and choose your main character. And choose the mouse pointer, and then it will obey you. And then go to gem and I'll create the score variable. Go to 0. Okay, let's add a forever loop and the if then block. Touching mouse pointer. Touching Steven. Choose your main character. Go to random position. Change 451. Then, if you get confused, go to the operators. It needs to be equal to 10. And then add the and then drag out the score viral bubble here, and then add a next backdrop. It's a backdrop from Steven Universe. I think I will have a lot of costumes. The first premiere bears the correspondence from this Candy Kingdom. There. No, it's just it. Hey. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more new notifications. Thanks for watching and bye.